What's up, guys? We're here at Independence Gym, and today me and Amanda are going to be doing some leg day. And she's starting out with some reverse lunges on the Smith machine. She said she wanted me to get some good booty angles. So we're gonna do some lying leg curls. We're gonna start out with about 15 reps for our first set to kind of warm up, get the blood flow in the hamstrings, get the contraction right. Now we're gonna up the weight. We're gonna go to an 8 to 12 rep range, more towards that 12 rep range. Is what I really like with these leg curls. You can still feel the contraction, so you're not arching your lower back and going into your lower back rather than focusing on the hamstrings themselves. We're really gonna focus on squeezing the glutes together, keep everything stabilized, our abs tight. We're gonna focus on bringing our heels up to our butt, obviously, and not bending our ankles severely to throw off like our mind muscle connection with the hamstrings. So here we go.
Wait, what's that? Bend, hands half.
Probably look like an idiot doing that. That's right.
Oh.
Amanda, how many weeks out are you?
About 8.5.
From what show?
From our OCB in Arizona.
And what are we gonna be doing?
Wait, what?
We're gonna be. What is our goal for this show?
I'm going in to get my pro card.
All right.
That's the goal. It's gonna happen.
All right, let's hit this set. So Amanda's really focusing on squeezing her glutes together. And you notice that she's not like curling her toes up or down really hard. She's focused on squeezing her glutes together and focusing on the contraction here. A really good thing to do too with people doing this is when they get to the end of their set, they usually don't come up to full contraction. So when she starts getting fatigued, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna slightly bring the pad up with my hand to make sure that she goes to full range. We're here, and then she do some partials, and then she'll be good. All right, my turn.
He doesn't know how to use the machine. Good, squeezing the glutes together.
Oh yeah. I knew. I was going to ask her when she started decorating. They're probably going to have a cushion
All right, now we're gonna hit some hack squats. Amanda has the box down there. Raise her up a little bit, she can get a little deeper. Do some half rep on the bottom, come back up. This is a really big quad burn, glutes. It's looking good. Slight angle with the ankle too. Helps a little more dorsiflexion, get a little deeper. All right, what's your favorite leg exercise? What's your favorite leg exercise? What's Amanda Wilson's favorite leg exercise?
Come on, guys, you know. Not Actually, this is a pretty close one because I love hip thrust, but I love the hack squat too. It literally destroys me every single time.
What is the other one? Like hip thrust?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm gonna be using the barbell for straight leg deadlift, and I'm gonna have a slight knee bend. I'm really focused on bringing my lats down and stabilizing myself with my abs tight, and not bringing my neck up and having it neutral, and keeping it tucked, having my shoulders retracted back, and just focusing on bringing my butt backwards, and so the bar just makes a straight line. Come over here, Amanda. I'm gonna try to make this bar go straight up and down by just bringing my butt back. So I'm gonna really focus on pressing through my heels and having my glutes contracted the whole time. And you're gonna notice that I'm not gonna follow all the way through, meaning I'm not going to go all the way through. Actually, I'm gonna go about here so that I keep the tension on my hamstrings the whole time rather than doing more glute activation stuff. Try this out.
See how the bar path is going straight down that barbell? Oh my gosh. Straight path, straight line. Hips and butts going back.
So what are we doing over here?
So I'm doing deadlifts with dumbbells, and I'm going to do a 5, 5, and 5. So I'm going to do a sumo wide stance, and then I'm going to bring my toes into a neutral.
Louder.
And then I'm going to come close together like this, have toes pointed out, and then I'm going to finish on a neutral stance. So it's 5, 5, 5, and 5 all together, and you just go into one to the next.
Okay, see it. So you got a wide stance. Change the stance. Now narrow stance. Up and back is straight.
Really focus on making sure you're getting that pelvic tilt and really focus on coming in. I want you guys to go a little bit slower than what I was doing now. So my next sets, I'm going to slow it down and have more like a 3 tempo, pause, and then come back up. So.
Alright, so now we're going to do this leg press. It's more for quads because we're going to be angled right here. I'm going to have my feet together. You see? I like to slightly angle my feet outwards a tiny bit and then go down. Try not to like hunch over too much and try not to stay super straight. You don't want to fix like your hip flexors because they start hurting. I kind of find a happy medium and these grips right here really pull myself into the pad as strong as possible and act like I am screwing my feet into the floor. So my knees are not going to stay caved in. They're going to be externally rotated. So they're screwing out. My feet are screwed out. And I'm not going to try to push through the balls of my feet. I'm going to have equal distribution of weight pushing all the way throughout the pad. If not, a little more through my heels, I try. You notice here, like, all my quads are firing more than underneath the hamstrings because our feet are gonna go slightly to our toes, or knees are gonna go over our toes, maybe. And that's totally fine. People say that you can't have your knees go over your toes, but that's not true. It just depends on the person and how your knees are, and adjust. If you have like knee pain, then yeah, you should probably not do that. But if you don't, having plenty of dorsiflexion, which is just your ankle mobility of being able to roll your knee over your toe, that's totally fine. You actually activate a lot more quad. How torque and biomechanics actually work. All right, guys, so that wraps up leg day with Miss Amanda Wilson Fit. It's a video. We're gonna do an outro. If that's okay with you.
Yes.
So what I'm gonna do is, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. I'll tag her YouTube in here if you guys want to follow her. She's what, 9 weeks out? 8 weeks out?
8.5.
8.5 weeks out from her debut of trying to get a pro card OCB down here in Tucson, right?
Yeah.
And then I am almost like 6 weeks out from my show in Spokane. You guys can follow me. I'm gonna put our Instagrams, our emails, everything in the description. You know, subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of content that I think will be valuable for you guys. Until next time, see ya.
Bye.